The Sindhya School is not just an educational institute, it is a community. The world around us has changed tremendously and we have changed with it. I am happy to share that our class 12 boys are already back on campus. We ensured that all precautions and safety measures were in place before they arrived. The school has decided to reopen in a phased manner, where we begin with the students of class 12 and move ahead from there. Let me walk you through the safety measures that we have implemented. The main gate has strict protocols when it comes to the thermal scanning of everyone who enters the school campus. All the staff coming in contact with the students have been accommodated within the campus. The boys shall report to the junior house campus, which has been designated as the holding house for reopening. They shall go through a medical checkup conducted by the school RMO and his team. Their luggage shall be labelled and separated for sanitization by the disinfection team. Once the quarantine period is over, the students shall be shifted to their boarding houses within the main school campus.
The boarding house is not just a building, but a place where the boys find the comfort and the security of their homes. It is the soul of the school. The school has taken all necessary precautions to safeguard the students. A new setup shall welcome the boys when they return to the houses. The pastoral staff has been given strict sanitization schedules where common touch points like railings, door handles, light switches, etc. shall be sanitized multiple times a day. The washrooms and the dormitories will also be disinfected at regular intervals so that they remain in pristine conditions at all times. The pastoral staff is available 24/7 to counsel the students under their care, so that they are able to help them maintain the safety norms and also to give them emotional support whenever needed. Each child has a mentor who can be his confidant. We understand that these are difficult times and there may be occasions when the child feels vulnerable. It is then that we extend our strongest support to help the students navigate their emotions, strengthening them in the process.
I'm sure our boys must be missing steaming hot aloo ka paranthas and paneer of the dining hall. After all, mess is the most essential part of their boarding life. It is a place which feeds their body and soul. Although this time they shall be separated with physical distance, their emotional bond will remain unaffected. Since the school will be running in 2 shifts, the meals will also be served accordingly. In order to reduce human contact, a roti making machine has been installed in the mess. All produce and ration that enters the mess is disinfected. The mess employees go through a medical checkup daily and use protective gear every time.
The academic block forms the nexus of all the activity that goes on in the school. The strength of students for every class has been decreased to ensure that adequate spacing is available in the rooms. The nihari for the students will be served at pre-decided places under constant supervision. Regular sanitization of all touch points shall be conducted with a disinfection of the entire block before and after every shift.
Sports has always been an indispensable part of the Sindhian culture. We have aspired to provide best possible sports opportunities to our students. Sports will be conducted in 2 shifts with smaller groups of students in each. These sports shall focus more on general fitness, skill development and conditioning. No contact sports will be undertaken. These small groups of students will train for various sports which will be at different venues spread across the entire 160-acre campus.
The health center is the most crucial aspect of the school considering the times that we are in. The school's health center has been stocked with all necessary medical equipment. The school has created a separate quarantine zone to cater to emergencies. The disinfection team, comprising 20 members, have gone through rigorous training. The medical team is prepared and has set protocols to address any situation.
The Sindhya School is more than just a school. It is a world in itself.
Each child that walks through the gates of this school becomes a part of this beautiful world for the rest of his life. It's a well-knit family where every member harbors immense love and respect for each other. You are never alone. Someone always has your back. You learn, you grow, you fall, but you never give up. The school has been empty, waiting for its soul to return, waiting for the children to return, for they will bring the life back at Sindhya. We are truly glad that the wait is over and we are eager for our students to return to the school which is incomplete without them. After all, it's the place where they truly belong.